All right, so in the previous lecture, we talked about creating, that third chart. So we had two charts, we were able to get that 2 by 2 dimension, and we talked about how we can expand that third chart to go the whole distance of both those other charts. But anyways, moving on from line charts now, and the next topic is going to be our bar charts, okay? So again, this is going to be a short series, maybe 2 or 3 lectures max, and I'm just going to discuss on how we can create these bar charts, how they work, stuff like that. So importing wise, it's going to be a little bit different. What you're going to do is you're going to say import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then you're also going to import numpy as mp. Okay, basically numpy is a module that will allow us to use 1 or 2 functions that is necessary for creating a bar chart. Okay, so that's great. Next thing is you're going to create a position. So just create any random variable. I'm going to call it pos or position, and set this equal to arrange, and then in brackets 6 plus 1 or plus 0.5. Okay. So let me quickly explain what's happening here. The arrange function basically creates an array. Okay. So think of it as a range, not the word arrange, but a range. It's basically an array of 6 values that we haven't really created yet. And then you're specifying the distance between each bar of the bar graph, okay? So arrange 6 creates 6 bars, and 0.5 is a specification of the distance between the bars. Cool? Now, the next thing is, you want to specify what type of bar graph. Is it a vertical bar graph or is it a horizontal? Let's create a vertical. So bar v, except before doing that, you have to say, I'm sorry, I missed one thing over here. It's going to be np.arrange. So make sure you specify np. NP is again for numpy. Numpy module has the arrange function. So pos is equal to np.arrange, 6 plus 0.5. And then you're going to say plt.barv and then you're going to say pos, comma, the 6 values. So these 6 values again will be numbers. These numbers will indicate how high the bar should be. Again, I'm pretty sure you know how bar graphs work, so go ahead and enter some 6 random values. I'm going to say 4, 8, 12, 3, 17, and 6. Okay? And then you can specify some other stuff like how do you want to align it. I'm going to align mine center. And then you can specify the color of the bars. So I'm going to say color is equal to, and for me, I like red. Red's a nice color. So that's plt.brv, and then all you have to do is say plt.show. So again, this has no labels, no thing whatsoever, but we're just creating a basic chart. That's it. Okay, it has run. Whoops. Okay. Give it some time. It gives me module object has no attribute brv. It might be brv, I'm not sure. I know brh is horizontal. I wonder what vertical might be. Let's try, maybe w, I'm not sure. Let me see if this works. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and find it out for you. I know bar h gives you the horizontal, so let's go ahead and try that. Bar h does definitely work. There we go. Ta-da. Take a look. So this is our 6 bars, and the distance between that is 0.5. And by 0.5, you can sort of tell because 0.5 is the distance from 1 to 2, I guess. I think that's what they meant by 0.5, or maybe 0.5 is a different sort of value. But you can see the distance. You can see how it's now horizontally placed. Let me make it a little bit higher, and the values are all correct. So awesome job. This was our first introductory lecture into bar graphs. Again, I will find out what is the vertical. I'm not completely sure, but I'll go ahead and double check. And in the next lecture, we'll be adding those labels, so titles, stuff like that. See you in the next lecture.